Hello and welcome to this quick overview of how to use the new Artistic Activity Reporting tool. This tool is built in Microsoft Excel as the prior tool was, but the tool has been developed so that it's easier to enter information. When you first open up the Artistic Activity Report tool, it's possible you will see a warning box telling you that some aspects of this tool are incompatible with the version of Excel that you are using. This is not a problem, and what you should do is simply click Continue. Most of those items are simply graphical in nature. The first step that you will take is to select the agency with which you are affiliated and the data that you're going to be entering. So for purposes of demonstrating, I will just select American Indians in Texas from the dropdown. If there have been no data points entered or no events entered for that group, you will receive a notice that no events were found in the database. Go ahead and say OK. You can begin to type in the event. You will then be given the option or asked to select the delivery method, in person, virtual, or both. Enter the start date and the end date, and what type. You can select what type of event it is: festival, performance, rehearsals. We'll go ahead and select festivals. How many events there are, how many of them are free, as well as the location. Now you have two location options here. One is the actual like a name of the location, as well as the council district where it is located. So and I'm going to select Council District 1, and we'll just enter in some random data. If you try to save the event now, after having entered in your attendees, you will receive a warning saying the demographic data must add up to 100%. So in the demographic section, you can then enter in your demographic information, select Save Event, and it will save your event to the database. If you're ready to enter in another event, simply select Add Event and begin typing in that event information. And the only warning you will receive when you try to save is to check to make sure that your demographic data adds up to 100%. Put placeholders in the database if you want, and come back and select the information by going down to this table at the bottom. If there is something you need to update, you can select the event. It will repopulate the form with the information you need. You can then make whatever change you need to and click Update Event, and it will update appropriately. And for event 2, if you did use it as a placeholder, you can come back and enter all of the correct information at a later date. If you had accidentally or inadvertently entered an event that was incorrect and you wanted to remove it, simply highlight it in the table and select Delete Event, and it will eliminate it. If you are halfway through entering an event and decide that you want to start over again, you can select Cancel New, and that will reset your form. Any questions should be directed to the Arts Department for the City of San Antonio. Appreciate your patience in watching this video.